Hey guys, are you looking for a ultra short bond ETF? Look no further because this is a popular one that I am going to be allocating money to in 2025. So with the market uncertainty, we had a great year in 2024. Not so sure what's going to happen in 2025. I am allocating some money to some short-term bonds, and specifically I'm going to leverage PGIM's Ultra Short Bond ETF in the upcoming months. So it's currently trading for $49.58. The past year, it's a bond fund, so there's not going to be a whole lot of appreciation, but you can kind of see every single month they pay dividends, and the price of the NAV drops by that dividend amount. So looking at the fund a little bit further here, I think it has a pretty competitive expense ratio. So it's got a 5-star Morningstar fund as of November 30th. Let's look up. Okay, so it has a total annual expense ratio of 0.15. That may be a little less. We'll take a look at that here in a minute. The fund objective is to seek total return through a combination of current income and capital appreciation consistent with preservation of capital. It is an active management style. Okay, let's go back here. Pull this up on Morningstar as well. So they have 9.2 billion assets under management, and their expense ratio is 0.15. So I was thinking it was a little less than that, but it does appear to look like it's 0.15. The SEC yield currently is 4.85%, 12-month yield of 5.62%. Let's look at the past dividend history of PULS. Dividend history. So currently it's paying roughly a 6.06% yield, annual dividend of $3. So the past months they've paid 25 cents, 20 cents. They did make 2 payments in December. I think that's pretty common with some of these bond ETFs. November was 21 cents. October was 22 cents. September was 23 cents, 23 cents, 23 cents. So that seems to be pretty consistent amount as far as this range, somewhere between 22 and 25 cents. 20 to 25 cents is what it's been paying there. Okay. But yeah, I wanted to also compare this to SGov. So looking at SGov for the year of 2024, from January 2nd to December 31st, it outperformed SGov. SGov is a very popular 0 to 3 month treasury bond ETF managed by iShares. It returned 5.26%, whereas PULS returned 6.13%. A growth of $10,000 would have grown into $10,612 versus $10,525. So far, year to date, there's only been a couple of days, but it's up 0.06 versus 0.05 with SGov. Past several years, 2023, it beat SGov. And then 2022, I don't think it was a full year, but it does look like it underperformed SGov and so forth there. So if you're looking for a short-term bond ETF, definitely go take a look at this one out there. Once again, it is ticker symbol PULS, managed by PGIM.